Today we are going to practice for Luxembourgish Sproochentest and we are going to describe a picture. The picture we are going to describe is this one. So as you know, this is a picture from Luxembourg city center where at Place de Guillaume, normally this place is known as Nubler. And we are going to describe this picture. So to describe this picture, we can first describe like what is happening here. Like people are walking across the Platz. There is this family here. We can describe people in this picture. Then we can describe this building. We can describe the shops. And let's see. So first, for the first paragraph, we can say, of the Foto gesehen es eng Platz mit Violett, während engem groß Gabay. In this picture, I see a Platz with some people in front of a big building. It is sonnigen Dag, it is a beautiful day, and it is ganz hell, and it is very bright. Vielleicht hast the Foto am Sommer geholt. Most probably this photo is taken in the summer. Vierde round gesehen es eng family mat inge man, inge Frau an sie Kanna. In the foreground, in the front, I see a family with a man, women, and two kids. Okay, then we can describe these people, what they are wearing. The man with of him an, ziensbok on, ob zijn rechte hand with an eng white sack. This man is wearing a purple color shirt and jeans, and on his right hand, he is having a white bag. Near him as a Mädchen, near to him is a little girl. Sie hat a weißen T-shirt on. She is wearing a white T-shirt. Schwarz box on Schalpen. Black pant and slipper. Neben hierum as eng Frau mat engem gelen him and enge jeansbox. Near her is a woman with a yellow T-shirt, yellow shirt and jeans. Sie hat kurz schwarz Haar. She has a short black hair. Sie hat eng schwarz Tasch am Hirschelleren. She is having a black bag around her shoulders. Okay, ganz recht as a jong mat eng schwarzen him an eng weiß box on. To the right there is a young boy with black shirt and white pant. Wahrscheinlich sind der Mann, Frau, Mam, Pap von der Kanna. Most probably, the man and the woman are mother and father of the kids. Then in third paragraph, we can say what is there in the background. Hannaground as a ghost gabai. In the background, there's a big building. Mat beige a weißer Frau with white and beige color. Wahrscheinlich as it an administrative gabai. Probably it's an administrative building. It's in Oxwy Fandelen of the part from gabai. There are also flags in the gates of this building. Ich erkennen that a Fandel wo Luxembourgish as. I can recognize that one flag is of Luxembourg, and den Zweite Fandelen won the Europäische Union, and the second flag is of the European Union. Et gibt viel Fenstern am Gebäude. There are many windows in this building. Et gibt viel Treppen, and it sind so liebe Statuen verum Gebäude. There are many stairs, and there are two lion statues in front of this building. It can drei Kaminier Gebäude. There are three chimneys on the building. Then dark as grow. The roof is of grey color. In the next paragraph, we talk about the streets, what's happening in the Platz. It's in so Strohsolution warum the top. In front of the stair, there are two street lights. Auf der rechten Seite sie may Gebäude angesafter. On the right side, there are more buildings and shops. It gehen auch Terrassen während der Geschäfte. There are also terraces in front of the shops. Verschieden light Treppen langs the Platz. Many people are walking across the Platz. Sie haben wahrscheinlich am Stadtzentrum aktiv gemacht. They have probably done shopping from the city center. Finally, we can say about the weather. Den Himmel ist klar and the sun sinkt. Den Himmel the sky is clear and the sun is shining. It is ganz hell draußen and it is very bright outside. Voila, das ist alles, was ich auf der Foto beschreiben. So that is all what I can describe in this picture. So yeah, this is all about describing this picture, and let us know in the comment what else would you describe in this picture, and send us an email if you want to get more material, and refer to lod.lu to learn about pronunciation of different words. Thank you.